To make this beautiful Cosmo flower, you'll need 4 squares, approximately 7 centimeters, and a strip of paper. The first step, you're going to take your square, fold it diagonally in half, fold it in half again, and then fold it in half one more time. And the most important step to this entire flower is you want to make sure the folded edge is pointing to the left. You're then going to draw half of a heart shape onto the paper and then cut that out. Cut the tip off. And then you're going to unfold. Now in between each petal, cut about halfway to the center. This will allow for a bit more dimension. Like so. Then you're going to cut one petal entirely off and half of another. Then you're going to take white glue, place it on the half a petal, curve these around, glue like so. Now you're going to take each petal and curl it. This can also be done with a quilling tool if you prefer. I'm going to grab the petal with the quilling tool. Like so. Curl. And then release. Another option is just to take your whatever writing utensil you have and curl it around that. So lots of ways to add dimension here. Toothpick would work great as well. So let me show you that once more, and you're going to make 4 of these. Take your paper, fold it diagonally, fold it in half, fold it in half one last time. Make sure your fold is pointed left. Cut out your half a heart shape. Cut your tip off. Unfold. Cut halfway to the center. Cut one petal off. Half for the one next to it. Add glue on that half a piece, half petal. Bring it around. Then go ahead and curl. This would be a good time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. Also, if you wouldn't mind commenting on what kind of color combinations you used, just so we can inspire each other, that would be great. So now you have 2 petals. You're going to go ahead and do that with 2 more. And then I'll show you how to make this. Once you have all 4 petals, you're going to go ahead and glue them in place. Place glue around the center. And then when you place the next leaf petal cluster, make sure that it's opposite. So here where there's no leaf, where there's no petal, make sure there's a petal there. And you're going to glue all 4 together. Like so. Now for the center, You can stop here and just add a little gem or something in the middle. Totally fine. Or you can make a center like this. So you're going to take a strip of paper. Doesn't need to be super long. So this is 19.5 centimeters. Fold it in half. Fold it in half again, like so. Then go ahead and cut thin strips, leaving about 1 centimeter at the end. So keep everything together. I think this makes a very pretty center. You can also make your center out of unusual items. Popcorn kernels look great. Split peas look really nice. Dried split peas. You can do an acorn top. You can do a bottle cap. Lots of great ideas. So once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and take your quilling tool if you have one. I'm going to do it this way. The color that you prefer should be in the inside, because that when you open up the petals, you'll see that the most. And you take your quilling tool. If you don't have one, go ahead and use a toothpick. That works great too. And then you're just going to go ahead and roll, roll, roll. The key to this is just to make it super tight. When you get to the end, remove your quilling tool or your toothpick, whatever you used. Place glue at the end to hold in place. Go ahead and open. And that's why I said to use the color that you wanted. The inside like so. And then you're going to go ahead and place glue on the base. And then you're going to stick it through your petals, and that's why we made a hole in the middle. Put that through like so. And there's your Cosmo. Now, if you want to take this a step further and add leaves, you can do that. One way to do that is if you have scraps from an old paint project. These make really nice leaves. So choose whatever color you like. I'm going to use this middle. I really like that green. Nice forest green there. Fold this in half. And then you can cut out a long petal like so. And then open it up. And so that makes a really nice just petal like so. And then you can just glue it right on. So lots of options there.